Ready to cook Japanese-style chicken? Let's dive in. If you love food that's packed with flavor and just a little bit of adventure, you're in the right place. Today, I'm serving up 5 Japanese chicken recipes that'll have your kitchen smelling amazing and your taste buds begging for more. Grab your apron because you're about to become a Japanese chicken master. First up, let's talk about teriyaki chicken. This dish is a classic for a reason. Start by marinating chicken thighs in a mix of soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Just 3 simple ingredients. Let it soak for at least 20 minutes so that flavor really gets in there. Then grill or pan-sear until the chicken is golden and sticky, with that irresistible teriyaki glaze. Chef's tip: brush on extra sauce while grilling for a glossy finish. Moving on to Karaage, Japan's answer to fried chicken. Cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces and soak them in soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Toss them in cornstarch to get that signature crunch, then fry until crispy and golden. The secret? Fry them twice for extra crunch. Chef's tip: rest the Karaage on a wire rack right after frying. This keeps it super crispy. Ready for some skewered goodness? Let's do yakitori. Thread chicken pieces onto bamboo skewers and grill them over high heat. While they cook, brush on a sweet savory tare sauce made from soy, mirin, sake, and sugar. The sauce caramelizes, giving you a juicy, smoky bite every time. Chef's tip: use the white part of scallions between chicken pieces. It adds another layer of flavor. Now for comfort in a bowl, Oyakodon. Slice chicken and cook gently in dashi broth with onions. Once the chicken's cooked through, pour beaten eggs over the top and let everything simmer. Serve it all over warm rice for a cozy one-pan wonder. Chef's tip: cover the pan after adding eggs and cook on low. This keeps the eggs silky soft. Last but never least, chicken katsu. Pound chicken breast thin, dredge in flour, dip in egg, then coat with crunchy panko breadcrumbs. Fry until golden brown and slice into strips. Serve with tangy tonkatsu sauce and shredded cabbage for that iconic crunch. Chef's tip: let the chicken rest a minute before slicing. This keeps all the juices inside. Alright, time for a quick check-in. Which recipe will you try first? Teriyaki, Karaage, Yakitori, Oyakodon, or chicken katsu? Drop your pick in the comments. I'm seriously curious. And if you're hungry for more, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a recipe. Before you go, remember, cooking is all about exploring and having fun. With Watch and Know, master every meal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your food-loving friends. See you next time on Watch and Know, where every bite is an adventure. Or